Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will tell you about the whale locations for day 12 in Heartopia. So right now in your event, the Call of Whales event, Heartopia give you a special quest, the quest that you can get from the NPC Naughty. The quest is to collect the photo of little whales that scattered around this Whalefall Canyon map, and then so just go to meet NPC Naughty first, and then next you can just start to collect the photo of these little whales that scattered around the map, and then you must take a photo every day. So if you missed the previous day, don't worry, you can just check the tutorial in my Heartopia playlist to watch the previous tutorial. And then in here for day 12 today, you can get or you can find this little whale over here at the whale fall area, and more precisely is located over here like this at these pines like this. So just go to this area, and then next you can just find this little whale, this one, and then just open your camera and then just take a photo of it like this, and just like that you will successfully unlock this little whale for day 12 like this. And then next for the shell bubble, the furniture bubble is located over here. Let me check on the map first. Okay, just follow my directions over here, and like that. Over there you can see the bubble over there, and then next just pop it like this, and just like that you will successfully get the furniture of Navy splash wheel decorations, and the locations is on here like this. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.